All right, good evening, all. This call is for against tomorrow analysis on CAD especially. So we'll just take a look at fundamental outlook going into tomorrow trade. So for tomorrow, just click on the economic calendar. Click tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is Tuesday, 20th February. The first news will be on retail sales. Forecast is 3.8. Okay, the previous 3.2 forecast is 4%. That's like an increase. Then we have the JPY. Still on JPY. Just sharp reduction. That was for retail sales. 0.3. They're predicting a drop. So if that happens, the JPY will be weak. So we're looking out for that effect. Then tomorrow will be in the morning. We have around 1:30 a.m. Nigerian time. We have retail sales for Australia as well. Previous was minus 3.9%. Forecast is 1.5%. Now going to around 8:45 a.m. We have inflation rate for the euro. Period was 6%. Forecast is 6.1%. Then we still have other news on around 9 a.m. GDP, CHF GDP growth rate. Period was 5%. Forecast is 5%. So we're looking at CHF gaining some strength or not. Around 11 p.m. we have retail sales again for euro, 0.9% of the previous, 4.2% of the forecast. So, but let me just go straight to the point of interest. It's around 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, so we have the GDP growth rate for Canadian dollar, as well as the growth rate annualized. So for me, my prediction is CAD is going to gain some strength during the news. So based on that, I'll be looking for, although same time, we have goods trade balance, which is previous is minus 90 billion. They're expecting minus 87 billion. So during the news, I'll be open for USD CAD sell. Okay, I believe CAD should gain some strength, and if the dollar now loses strength, I'll be seeing a massive drop off on Euro USD CAD especially. So my take profit one is around 1.345. Take profit two is around 1.34. Then take profit three is 1.33. Okay, so I expect to hold CAD sales, USD CAD sell till possibly Friday. Okay, so that's my major outlook for tomorrow. Like I said, it's not about entering so many trades. But if on some backup, we might be seeing CAD CHF buying, although it's retracing currently. But if you look at it critically from D1, you would agree with me it's around the demand zone. So it's been ranging within this zone for some time now. So we're wanting a breakout. So my first retest is for it to test 0.70, 0.7. Then before a little retracement, a continuation to the upside. So I want to buy CAD CHF. I think CAD JPY is almost in the above region, so it will not be a good buy. But looking at it from D1 again, I might still see some push to the upside. I would have said GDP CAD would have made a good sell, but because of the Brexit deal that was just concluded between Euro and Pound, the Eurozone section then allowed the UK to take control of Ireland. So that gave some strength to the pound. So that's why you saw a massive sell-off on Euro GDP today, and it's still dropping as we speak. So let's hope before then pound will lose some of the momentum, but it's not a good entry right now. Possibly lose some momentum, then we'll be seeing some sell-off on GDP CAD. And then another pair, if Euro loses some strength in the morning based on the fundamentals again, so you watch out for the retail sales for Euro in the morning. The one we have by 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Nigeria. So if that plays out, we'll be seeing some sell-off on Euro CAD. But my major outlook, which I'm already selling actually, but it's better to wait for during the news or for tomorrow for your entry. But I'm already on the sell. And Woodford. I actually entered very early though, so I've closed and this is just the second entry for this call. So that's my outlook for tomorrow. Any question? Any question? Can you just unmute yourself and ask? Or you want any pair? Or just analyze any pair, any other pair? So that I can go back to our election counting.
I want to about Euro AUD.
Euro AUD.
AUD.
Okay. For Euro AUD, remember I said on Friday that we'll be looking for our AUD entries on Wednesday night. So I know Euro AUD should gain some strength, but I will not want to jump in on that sell until I get a good fundamental confirmation. So it actually looks like a very good sell, but I'll wait for Wednesday night. I think that fundamental will be coming up on Wednesday 1:30 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Wednesday. News is on AUD for monthly CPI. So I'll wait for that CPI come. If AUD is positive, good one, we'll sell Euro AUD and we'll buy AUD USD. So we have two good outlook. I'm actually already buying the AUD. I'm in profit. So my TP for AUD is 0.69, but we'll wait for that for the CPI index for AUD. Look, I still see the market, my range come back and retest the zone. Okay, I'll join that. Give me a good W formation. I'm going to stop the recording for now. We can continue the discussion.